If I show you an abacus just for a second, can you identify all single digit numbers immediately? If not, don't worry. After learning this lesson, immediately you can identify all the numbers. Let us start. This is an answer bar. Always remember golden rule. Which bit touch to the answer bar, that is only considered as an answer. And as we know, this is ones place and the value of lower bid is 1 each and the value of upper bid is 5 each. So when this bid touch to the answer bar, that is the answer. So this is called 1. When we take one more bid, so it is 2, it is 3 and 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. And we know the value of upper bid is 5 each. So when this upper bid comes down and touch to the answer bar, then it is considered as 5 and this is -5. So now we learn how to write in book. 2. So this is 1 and this is 2. But how we write in book? This is considered as an ones place and this is an answer bar. So we have to draw like same thing, two lower bids, 1 and 2. 6. For 6, we have to take one upper bid, means it is 5 and 1, 6. So we have to draw here also one upper bid and one lower bid. 8. So this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have to draw one upper bid and three lower bids. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Now we have to draw only one upper bid. 1. 1 means we have to draw one lower bid. 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So we have to draw three lower bids. 1, 2 and 3. 7. For 7, we have to draw one upper bid and this is 5, 6 and 7. So we have to draw one upper bid and two lower bids. 5, 6 and 7. 9. For 9, we have to take one upper bid, means it is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will draw same one upper bid, means it is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If you didn't watch introduction video, watch that also. Link has given in description and write the answer of 4 in comment. How many upper bid and lower bids we have to draw.